25 Surprising Uses of Olive Oil in Your Daily Life. Hello everyone, today I want to talk about a very special ingredient that is quite common in many homes around the world, olive oil. You may use it in the kitchen to dress salads or prepare your favorite recipes, but you may not know that this noble product has countless uses that go far beyond gastronomy. In this video, I will show you 25 ways to use olive oil in your daily life. Join me and discover why it should never be missing from your pantry. 1. Natural makeup remover. Olive oil is a great alternative for removing makeup, even the most stubborn ones. Its consistency helps dissolve beauty products without drying out your skin. Just put a few drops on a cotton pad and gently rub over your face and eyes. Not only will this save you money on expensive products, but it will also nourish your skin thanks to the vitamins and fatty acids present in olive oil. It is especially useful if you have sensitive skin and want to avoid products with too many chemicals. When finished, rinse with warm water and a mild cleanser to remove any excess. 2. Homemade body scrub. If you're looking for soft, radiant skin, mix olive oil with a little sugar or salt for a very effective homemade scrub. Apply the mixture to damp skin in circular motions to remove dead skin cells and stimulate circulation. If you want a pleasant scent, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, such as lavender or eucalyptus. Then, rinse with warm water and, when dry, you'll notice that your skin is smoother. It's a natural and inexpensive option to keep your skin healthy, especially in areas where the climate can be drier or colder. 3. Shine and nourish wooden furniture. If you have wooden furniture that looks dull or dry, olive oil can restore it to its original appearance. Combine a little oil with a few drops of lemon juice and rub the surface with a soft cloth. This way, you clean and nourish the wood, preventing it from cracking over time. Plus, you won't be using harsh chemicals that can sometimes damage or discolor the surface. This trick is especially useful in humid climates where wood may require extra care to prevent deterioration. 4. Control dandruff and care for your scalp. Are you bothered by dandruff or do you notice that your scalp is very dry? Olive oil can be a great ally. Heat it slightly until it is lukewarm, be careful not to burn yourself, and apply it with a gentle massage on your scalp. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then wash your hair with a preferably mild shampoo. The oil will help to remove dandruff flakes and moisturize the skin, reducing irritation and itching. Repeat this procedure once a week and you will see how the health of your hair improves. 5. Lubricate hinges and latches. If your front door makes a squeak every time you open it, or if the zippers on your clothes or backpack get stuck, olive oil can work as a natural lubricant. Apply a small amount with a cotton swab or cloth, and watch the squeaks and jams disappear. It's a quick and inexpensive solution, and less aggressive than some industrial lubricants with strong chemical smells. 6. Shine the leaves of your indoor plants. Indoor plants, especially those with large, wide leaves, can accumulate dust and lose their characteristic color. If you notice that your plants look a little dull, you can wipe them with a soft cloth with just a few drops of olive oil to remove dirt and give them a natural shine. However, use very little to avoid clogging the plant's pores or causing adverse effects. A few drops are enough to make your plants look healthier and prettier. 7. Lip moisturizer. The weather in many areas of the world can vary greatly, from hot and dry to very cold, all of which can take a toll on your lips. To prevent them from drying out or cracking, apply a couple of drops of olive oil and spread it around with your finger. This creates a protective barrier that locks in moisture and nourishes the skin. If you want to give it a refreshing scent, you can add a drop of peppermint essential oil. Remember to reapply several times a day, especially if you're in places with a lot of wind or air conditioning. 8. Lip plumper effect with chili pepper. Here comes one of the most striking uses. If you dream of having fuller lips without resorting to injections, try mixing a little olive oil with chili powder or ground chili pepper. Apply the mixture to your lips for a few minutes. You will feel a slight tingling sensation due to the increased blood circulation in that area, and this creates a temporary plumping effect. Be careful, if your lips are very chapped or have any wounds, don't do this because it could sting too much. It's a curious and easy method to try if you're looking for that extra touch of plumpness. 9. Clean makeup brushes. Makeup brushes accumulate product residue and bacteria with daily use. A handy way to clean them is to mix olive oil with a little mild liquid soap. Dip the brush bristles into the mixture, make circular motions with your hand to loosen the makeup, and then rinse with warm water. The oil helps soften the residue and keeps the bristles flexible, thus prolonging the life of your makeup tools. Do this at least once every 2 weeks to ensure good hygiene. 10. Polish stainless steel. In many homes, the kitchen sink, pots, and certain appliances are made of stainless steel, and with constant use they can lose their original shine. To restore their polished appearance, apply a few drops of olive oil to a soft cloth and rub it over the surface. Then, wipe with a clean cloth to remove the excess and voila, your stainless steel will look shiny. This trick also helps keep water spots and other residue that appear during daily use at bay. 11. Stop squeaky doors and windows. If you're driven to despair by the creaking sound every time you open or close a door or window, add a drop of olive oil to the hinges or tracks. Shake the door to distribute the oil and the noise should diminish or disappear completely. This type of simple maintenance can extend the life of your hinges and prevent them from rusting over time and from moisture. 12. Strengthen brittle nails. If you notice that your nails break easily, olive oil can be your best friend. Heat it up a little so that it is lukewarm, soak your fingers in it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then massage your nails so that they absorb the nutrients well. This softens the cuticles and strengthens the nails, preventing them from peeling. It is a good idea to do it at least once a week, especially if you use nail polishes constantly or if you have contact with water and detergents very often. 13. Quick dip for bread or snacks. One of the most basic and delicious uses for olive oil is as an impromptu dip. If you have unexpected company over or just want to eat something simple, pour some oil into a bowl, add salt, pepper, oregano, and if you like, a dash of chili. Dip freshly baked bread or crackers in it and you've got a tasty snack in seconds. In some South American countries, olive oil is even added to mashed avocado for a smoother, creamier flavor. 14. Removing gum from hair or clothing. If you've had the nightmare of having gum stuck in your hair or clothing, don't panic. Apply olive oil to the affected area, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then try to carefully peel it off. The oil helps the gum to soften and come off much more easily, preventing further damage. Afterwards, wash the garment or hair as normal to remove any residue. 15. Natural facial highlighter. For those who love the glow effect in makeup, olive oil can serve as a soft highlighter on the cheekbones or the bridge of the nose. Apply a small amount with your fingertips and blend well to avoid excessive shine. It will give you a healthy and luminous look, ideal for special occasions or when you want a fresh and simple style. Remember not to overuse it if you have oily skin, and remove it well at the end of the day to avoid clogging pores. 16. Hair mask for damaged hair. If you have overused your hair with a flat iron, hairdryer or dyes, olive oil can revitalize your hair. Heat it slightly and apply it from mid-lengths to ends, then cover your hair with a warm towel or a shower cap. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes and, when finished, wash with your usual shampoo. You will notice that your hair feels softer, more hydrated and with less frizz. Repeat every week or fortnight depending on the needs of your hair. 17. Protect tools from rust. In some regions of the world, humidity can be very high, and this accelerates the rusting process of metal tools or utensils. To prevent this, wipe a cloth with a very thin layer of olive oil on the metal surface before storing them. This creates a protective film that isolates them from air and moisture. This trick is very useful for extending the life of knives, scissors, tweezers and other tools that you do not use frequently. 18. Remove glue and label residue. If you have bought a jar or bottle and you are having trouble removing the label and excess glue, rub a little olive oil on the sticky area and wait a minute. Then, wipe it with a cloth or sponge and you will see how the adhesive softens and comes off more easily. This technique also works to remove residue from stickers or adhesive tape on different surfaces, saving you the need to use more aggressive solvents. 19. Prevent ingrown hairs by shaving. Before shaving, especially if you use a razor, you can apply a thin layer of olive oil to damp skin. This softens the hair and skin, making the process easier and reducing irritation. It also prevents those pesky ingrown hairs from appearing. Afterwards, make sure to rinse well and, if you like, apply a moisturizer or aloe vera gel to finish. 20. Ally against wrinkles. Thanks to its antioxidant content, olive oil can help delay the appearance of fine wrinkles, especially when combined with a healthy lifestyle and adequate sun protection. Apply a few drops to the area around the eyes, forehead or around the mouth, gently patting with your finger. Do this preferably at night so that the skin absorbs it better. Don't expect an overnight lifting effect, but do expect a higher level of hydration and nutrition in the long term. 21. Soothe your skin after a day in the sun. In many parts of the world, the sun is intense and can dry out or redden your skin. Olive oil, being a natural moisturizer, can help you regain that lost moisture. Mix it with a little aloe vera gel to enhance the soothing effect and apply to the affected areas. Massage gently and let it sit for several minutes. It's a simple and inexpensive remedy, perfect for those who spend time at the beach, pool, or doing outdoor activities. 22. Soften elbows and knees. Elbows and knees are areas that tend to get quite dry, especially in cold or dry climates. After showering, when the skin pores are more open, rub a little olive oil on those areas and massage for a few seconds. With constant use, you will notice how the skin becomes softer and less rough. You can also mix the oil with a little sugar and use it as a spot exfoliator to remove dead cells and maintain an even appearance. 23. Gentle ear cleaning for pets. If your dog or cat has some dirt on the outside of its ears, you can gently clean it using a cotton ball slightly moistened with olive oil. This will loosen the dirt and make it easier to remove. However, it is important to consult your veterinarian first and avoid inserting the cotton ball into the ear canal. Use this method only for the outside of the ear and be very gentle. Pets' ears are very delicate. 24. Keep your knives sharp and protected. If your knives are made of steel that tends to rust, clean them well after use and wipe the blade with a gauze or kitchen paper with a very thin layer of olive oil. This will prevent rust from forming and keep them in better condition. The next time you use them, rinse and dry them well. It's a simple trick to prolong the life of your knives, especially if you live in areas with high humidity or near the coast. 25. Shine leather shoes. Don't have shoe polish or wax handy? Olive oil can be an effective temporary substitute. Apply a few drops to a soft cloth and rub your leather shoes or garments. Let the oil soak in for a moment, then wipe with another cloth to remove the excess and achieve an even shine. In addition to beautifying, the oil nourishes the leather, helping it stay supple and prevent cracking. Just don't use too much to avoid staining your clothes or the floor. As you can see, olive oil is much more than just a kitchen ingredient. It is a true jack of all trades that can help you take care of your home, your skin, your hair, and even your pets. I hope these 25 uses inspire you to try new ideas and get the most out of this versatile product. If you know of other ways to use olive oil, please feel free to share them. Thanks for coming here and see you next time.